Scene script. Have you ever wondered how many cells are in your body? Billions, trillions, or even more? Let's dive into the fascinating world of cells. These microscopic entities are the fundamental units of life, the building blocks of every living organism. They're like tiny cities bustling with activity, each one unique yet working in harmony to create something as complex and wonderful as you. From the tiniest bacteria to the largest blue whale, every living thing consists of cells, each one holding the key to our existence. They eat, they grow, they reproduce, they respond to their environment, adapt and evolve. In every breath you take, in every heartbeat, cells are at work, tirelessly ensuring life continues. Cells, in their multitude of forms, are truly the unsung heroes of life. They are the smallest unit of life, yet they represent life in all its complexity and diversity. In the next few minutes, you will unravel the mysteries of these tiny powerhouses of life. Imagine a bustling city, but at a microscopic level. That's what a cell is like. It's a world teeming with activity, where every part has a specific function, working together to keep this tiny universe alive and thriving. Let's start with the structure of a cell. Picture a city surrounded by walls. In a cell, this wall is known as the cell membrane. It's not just a barrier, but a complex gatekeeper, controlling the movement of substances in and out of the cell. It's like a vigilant security system, ensuring harmful substances are kept out while allowing necessary nutrients to pass through. Inside this protective barrier, we find the cytoplasm, a jelly-like substance that fills most of the cell. If our cell was a city, the cytoplasm would be the bustling streets filled with activity. Here, many of the cell's crucial tasks take place, from breaking down waste to building proteins. It's a bustling hub of activity, a place where the cell's machinery gets to work, keeping our microscopic city functioning. And then, at the heart of our cell city, we have the nucleus. Think of it as the city hall, the control center of the cell. The nucleus is the keeper of the cell's genetic material, the DNA. It's here that all the instructions for the cell's functions are stored, like a grand blueprint. The nucleus directs all activities, dictating what proteins should be made, when cells should divide, and when they should die. It's the decision maker, the driving force behind all of the cell's activities. So a cell is like a microcosm of life, with each part playing a crucial role in the survival of the whole. Just like a city relies on its walls for protection, its streets for transportation, and its city hall for direction, a cell depends on its membrane, cytoplasm, and nucleus to function. It's a world within a world, a testament to the intricacy and wonder of life on a microscopic scale. Isn't it fascinating to think about how much activity is happening inside each of our cells, every second of every day? Let's take a moment to reflect on the journey we've just taken into the world of cells, a journey that has shown us the intricate mechanisms that keep us alive and kicking. We started our journey by stepping into the cell, a microscopic universe bustling with life. The cell, the smallest unit of life, is more than just a tiny blob. It's a complex, organized structure teeming with components that work together to make life possible. One of the first things we encountered was the cell membrane, the gatekeeper of the cell. This thin, flexible barrier controls what enters and exits the cell, ensuring that the cell gets the nutrients it needs and keeps out harmful substances. It's like a security guard, always on duty, always vigilant. Next, we ventured into the nucleus, the control center of the cell. This is where the cell's DNA is stored, the genetic blueprint that guides all of a cell's activities. The nucleus is like the cell's brain, holding all the instructions needed for life. We also explored the cytoplasm, a jelly-like substance that fills the cell and houses various organelles. These organelles carry out specific functions just like our organs do. The cytoplasm is like a bustling city, with each organelle playing its part to keep the cell functioning smoothly. So you see, a cell is not just a simple, lifeless speck. It's a vibrant, dynamic entity, full of life and activity. Each cell is a microcosm of life itself, a testament to the incredible complexity and beauty of nature. So next time you think about life, remember that it all starts with a single cell. These tiny structures are the building blocks of all living things, making life as we know it possible.